you can master these 3 things, then you're completely off to the races. You will get ahead of everyone else, and you'll become super successful in this AI era. In this video, I've researched the top 1% of AI winners, people who've 10x their income and opportunities, and I will try to condense it in a 3-part framework that anyone can follow right now at the beginning of this AI revolution. I call this the AI Mastery Blueprint because these are the exact principles that separate the people who will get wealthy using AI from the ones who will be left behind. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 mindsets that make AI your ally, not your replacement, real-world examples you can actually implement today, and a practical 7-day plan to get started immediately.
Let's dive right in with mindset number 1, the growth mindset. This isn't just psychological theory, it's your career insurance. Check this out. Alex, a graphic designer, kept hearing clients ask, "Can't AI just do this?" Instead of panicking, he spent 10 minutes a day playing with Midjourney. At first, the results were garbage, but after 2 weeks, he figured out how to use AI for quick concept sketches, then added his human touch for the final product. His design time dropped from 6 hours to 2, and clients were blown away by how many options he could show them. The key? He didn't run from AI, he ran toward it. Every failed prompt was just data, not defeat. Next up, adaptability. When rules change overnight, most people freeze. Winners pivot. Take Jamie, a social media manager. Her content calendar was set for the month when Instagram suddenly changed its algorithm. Instead of pushing the same old plan, she fed her best performing posts into ChatGPT, asked for pattern analysis, then quickly tested 3 new content styles. Within a week, her engagement jumped 23%, while her competitors were still complaining about the algorithm. The adaptable don't just survive changes, they exploit them while everyone else is still whining. Quick check-in. Which mindset resonates with you more so far? Growth or adaptability? Drop a comment below, and I'll recommend a specific AI tool just for you. Finally, the collaboration mindset. Stop seeing AI as competition and start seeing it as your personal assistant on steroids. Meet Carlos, a freelance writer drowning in client work. His first attempt using AI? Total disaster. The content read like a robot wrote it, because, well, it did. But then he flipped his approach. Instead of asking AI to write full articles, he used it to research faster, generate outlines, brainstorm hooks. He kept the parts AI sucks at: voice, emotion, nuance for himself. Result? His output tripled while working fewer hours, and his clients never suspected a thing. Let's make this actionable. Here's your 7-day AI Jumpstart. Day 1. Pick 1 task you hate doing, just 1. That's your AI testing round. Day 2 to 3, test a free AI tool on that task for 15 minutes max. Expect it to suck, that's normal. Day 4-5, refine your prompts. Remember, specific beats generic every time. Create your hybrid workflow. What parts should AI handle? What parts stay yours? Here's the truth, nobody's telling you. The goal isn't to replace yourself, it's to replace the boring parts of your job so you can focus on what humans do best. Let's recap what we've covered. Growth, learn from failures. Adaptability, thrive in chaos. Collaboration, partner with AI. If this helped you see AI differently, smash that like button and subscribe. Our bit-biased AI newsletter drops AI shortcuts, prompt templates, and tool reviews every week. Link in the description. Comment below which mindset you're starting with tomorrow, and I'll personally recommend an AI tool that matches your style. Until next time, stop fearing AI and start leveraging it.